In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your phone screen within the Discord mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. To get started with screen sharing in Discord, first open the Discord app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then join a voice call or a voice channel. I'll demonstrate by selecting this channel and tapping Join Voice. You may need to enable some permissions after joining the voice channel. To share your screen, swipe up from the bottom to open the menu, then select Share Your Screen. A prompt will appear with some information. Tap Try It Out. When the next screen appears, select Start Broadcast. You'll notice the screen turns red, indicating that it is recording and sharing on Discord. Tap anywhere on the screen to close the menu. As you can see, it now says Stop Sharing, confirming that your screen is being shared on Discord. You can close the app and share other apps on your phone, such as games or social media. When you want to stop sharing, tap Stop Sharing in the voice channel or bottom menu. Instead of the hang up button for a phone call, you'll see a small X in a box. Tap it to stop sharing. You'll remain in the voice chat to continue talking, but your screen will no longer be shared.